Hello everyone. Today we are going to create a music video using our text-to-video generator. First of all, we are going to Suno, to generate our music. For that we have two options. We can either enter our own lyrics or let Suno create them for us. I will just keep it simple, as it says, describe the music you want. I'll write something like, please create the music lyrics for a song that includes Teddy, a girl, and a night's sleep. These are all the keywords I want. Then I'll click here. Okay, there is no issue. I just entered my prompt and then clicked create. It will take a moment. Okay, that's kind of nice. We have our lyrics here, so let's just copy all of this. Once we have our lyrics from Suno, we go to our ChatGPT Ultimate Text-to-Video Prompt Generator. We just copy this prompt, saying something like, please create a shot list of only titles based on the song lyrics. Create result title descriptions, add numbers, also create character details. Provide shots around 6 seconds each. The music is around 2.5 minutes, and that's it. When I put this into ChatGPT, it will give me a list of all the shots with titles and character details. In this case, we have a girl and a teddy bear. Then I just ask it to create the first shot, and it will do so. Then I ask for the second shot, and so on. I just did this. Now, if you can see, you have to copy from here until there and paste it into your video editor. In our case, I'm going to use Minimax AI. Let's go there. Okay, we are in Minimax now. What we have to do is just copy and paste our prompts and click generate. I have done the first 4 shots before. As you can see, this is the second shot, another shot, the third shot, and so forth. I think this one was the first one. In this case, the pink color is a little bit too saturated. We can drop down this color later in our video editor. Let's keep creating more shots. I would go to ChatGPT and create the next shot. Okay, I will just add a few more. Remember, on Minimax AI, we can add up to 5 video generations at a time. You can do the same prompt 5 times or just do 5 different prompts. I will do one more. On Minimax, remember always to keep the prompt enhancer on. Here you have the image-to-video generator as well, but in this case, we won't generate our images. You could also use the same prompt on other platforms like Claire, to generate images, and then just animate from the image. You could download one of these images and then animate it, which is also good. But in this case, we are just keeping image to video since the results are really good. As you can see, the characters are consistent, the colors are consistent, and the style is consistent. The outfits are consistent, so we don't need to do image to video. Okay, this shot is a little off sometimes. Sometimes the prompts don't come out as expected, and you can see that Minimax AI maybe can't understand correctly. You have to go in and tweak some parts of the prompts. My advice is always read the prompts before you generate the video. Sometimes there might be a word that will completely change the style of the video. You have to remove words like neon, glowing, flickering. These might generate more of a 3D look. Be careful and remove all unnecessary words that ChatGPT loves to add. Sometimes you get them everywhere, so you have to just remove them. We will wait for our latest 3 videos to be generated, and then we are going to download all these videos and go inside our CapCut editor to make the final video. You will see how to process the creation of the video. Again, this is a short tutorial, but it's very easy to understand the process. The workflow is very easy. Just generate the prompts, generate the videos, and then put them together. Here's one more result. She goes there. For example, this one is a little bit too light. It looks like daylight, but we can just go and copy the prompt and recreate this again. I think I will just add one word here and put something like night and generate this video again. Let's see. This one is also very fast video generation compared to other video generators. On Minimax AI, you get about 5 videos in maybe 3 minutes. We need to generate around 24 or 25 videos, which would take about 2 hours or so to generate all the videos. Since we have all the prompts, we can do it. Also, in our prompts we have camera movement descriptions. We can also copy that. Let's see. Okay, here is one more. This is what I was saying. Here there's probably a word like glow. You see it's a gentle glow, and this glow word is generating a 3D look. I have to copy all this, go back, and remove that glow word. Let me edit this prompt. Okay, I just removed the glow part. Let's see how it looks now. You see, she's like flying near the moon. With this, we are already done with half of the generations. About 12 videos generated. It takes a very small amount of time. Okay, this one probably also has a glow. Let's just copy this again. We will recreate this one and remove this magical word. Generate again. Yeah, there is another glow. Okay, so let's create this one also. These latest two come out with this 3D look. As I said, don't use glow. The word glow is problematic. You see, this one shows she's running inside of the stars. I will now download all these videos we created. Let's see if it's fixed. When I remove glow, it makes a more realistic video. Let's download this one also. I think this one is good, so I'll download this video. Let's see the last one, the one in the bed. I will download this latest one, and we will see it in CapCut. Now we are back in our CapCut video editor. I will download all my videos from the Minimax AI website and then just put them one by one on the timeline. As ChatGPT created the shots, I will just keep doing the same. As you can see, I just did about 1 minute of video, and now I will show you how to edit. First of all, we get our music from Suno and put it here. Then we click here to set the beats. When we create the music, we keep all the video tied to the beats. As you can see, it's very close now. Maybe this one not so much. Then, I will just go to an adjustment layer over the whole video, and then we select color match. Just find some reference frame from the video. This doesn't look so easy. Let's try again. Yeah, this one is not doing good. Okay, so here we can adjust colors. I'm going to add a LUT to alter the colors a bit. We can use this LUT for example. Then I'm going to make it a little brighter and sharper so it looks okay. I will also reduce the saturation of the pink. We go to adjustment, and here I can remove the pink color cast. Now it looks better. This is how you create your video. If I play this, you can see the transitions. Sometimes you can use transitions if you want. Let's say there was one we can add, maybe a cloud effect. For example, this one. I can put it here and see how it looks. That can work. I can make it longer. Maybe this one is better. Okay, and then I click export and select the best setting. That's it. You have your video ready. Remember, we also have a YouTube channel where you can watch more tutorials. Be sure to subscribe if you'd like to learn more about these platforms and how to work with our text-to-video prompt generator. We have many different types of videos explaining the process, and it's really easy to follow along. You can also download free assets from our Patreon by becoming a free member.